Meeting Sig Hansen. What an interesting subject and opportunity.
Hi everyone, I'm Captain Sig. Behind me is my boat, the Northwestern. We've got a king crab season coming up. I'm also installing a secret weapon. Come with me and I'll show you.
So I was out in California on a sales call. I just got off a plane, still had my luggage with me, never even checked into the room. And got a phone call from Bob. Bob says, hey, you're gonna wanna be in Seattle by 7 o'clock. You ever heard of Sig Hansen? I said, oh yeah. He's a big star on Deadliest Catch. Love watching the show. And he goes, well, we're meeting him at 7 o'clock tonight at his house. I'm like, oh, I'm there. I gotta meet this guy, I gotta be there. They headed straight to the airport. You know, like I said, I never even unpacked my suitcase. Got on a plane, they picked me up at the airport at Sig's house at 6:45. We go walking in there, sat down and basically told him what we can do, what we can't do, and he goes, okay, cool. He goes, I'm in.
So typically now, we're gonna take fuel on board, we've got painting to do, the engines are being redone, hydraulics are being looked at and redone, so there's a lot of repair. On top of that, we have an air purification service that's going in here. It's really interesting. So on board we have Randy and Robbie, his son, and these guys are from EMT. So Randy, I want you to explain to me why I'm spending my money on this unit of yours.
What we got going on is an air purification, surface purification continuously throughout your entire space here. And so when you look at what it truly does 24/7, we're able to reduce and minimize bacteria, molds, viruses, whether it's H1N1, whether it's the common cold, and also COVID-19. We've installed equipment here, going through your whole ventilation system. We've got equipment installed up there in your captain's quarters where you're driving the boat, and also for the crew in the back. The funniest thing is this guy's a smoker. It seemed like he had 3 cigarettes lit at all times. And this place reeked of cigarettes. I mean, knock you back 3 feet. So we go up there and we take readings. We're in the millions of microbial readings up there in that captain's area. Put our units in there, came back the next day, and now we took it down to where we're in the hundreds. So now we're really almost to where we're hospital grade in the environment. Sig walked up there and he goes, I don't know if this is gonna work for me. He goes, what? And he goes, it smells like a new boat. It's not a new boat. It's an old boat. He goes, go put one down there in the galley. And so I'm like, well, we did. So he walks down the galley and he's like, it don't smell like my boat. So he's up there, I think in the video, he's like, wow. That's a pretty good reduction.
Wow.
So,
My air was filthy.
Yeah, it was filthy.
That doesn't surprise me.
So you can breathe easier now.